Commusoft login failures are usually caused by incorrect login details, browser problems, connection issues, or account access settings that prevent you from entering your account. By the end, you'll know how to fix Commusoft when your login fails, your password does not work, or the platform will not load correctly. Start by checking your email address and password. A small typing mistake, incorrect capitalization, or an old saved password can prevent a successful login. Enter your login details manually instead of relying on saved browser information. This helps confirm that the credentials you are using are correct. If you forgot your password, use the password reset option on the Commusoft login page. Create a new password and try signing in again. Check your internet connection before trying another login attempt. A weak or unstable connection can stop the login page from loading properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the network is causing the issue. If the login works on another connection, your original network may be the problem. If you are using a browser, refresh the page and try logging in again. Browser sessions can sometimes fail and prevent websites from working correctly. Clear your browser cache and cookies if the login problem continues. Old stored website data can interfere with account access. Try a different browser to check whether the problem is related to your current browser. If Commusoft works in another browser, your original browser settings may be causing the issue. If you use the Commusoft mobile app, check for updates through the App Store or Google Play Store. Older app versions can sometimes cause access problems. Restart your device after updating the app. This refreshes the device and can clear temporary problems. Check whether your account has the correct access permissions. Login issues can happen when an account has been changed, disabled, or no longer has access. If Commusoft shows an error message, save the exact wording. The message can help identify whether the problem is related to your password, account, browser, or connection. Contact Commusoft support if you still cannot log in after testing your credentials, connection, browser, and app version. Provide your account details, device type, browser, or app version, and the error message. Avoid creating multiple accounts when login fails. Multiple accounts can make it harder to identify the correct login information. The main fixes are checking your credentials, resetting your password, clearing browser data, updating the app, and confirming account access. To recap, Commusoft login problems usually come from incorrect details, browser issues, network problems, or account settings. Your next step is to reset your password and test another browser before contacting support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other software troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.